Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is write an ebook. It's really quite short because I want you to focus. If you're good at a technique that you're using that really helped you a lot, write an ebook about that. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can use Google's free software. So for example, you can create it there and then save it out as a PDF and simply sell that PDF. You can also go the other way around and sell it on Amazon, for example. All these other sites are there like Amazon, but obviously Amazon is the biggest one out there. And make sure to sell that ebook with that particular tip or technique that you have that other designers might enjoy and might implement into their own work, so that they can increase their speed and save a bunch of time and stuff like that. Don't just go ahead and write ebook about the history of design, about the progression of typography, about the color theory and stuff like that, because that's already been done thousands of times by many other more experienced designers than you. So make sure to focus on what you know, what you trust and what you use on a daily basis, and write an ebook about that. If you have your personal website, you can put it there as well. So if a lot of designers are coming to your website, or if you're creating YouTube videos, if you're creating blogs and stuff like that, then other designers can come to your website, to your videos, and then purchase that ebook there. So writing an ebook can be really lucrative for you, especially if you focus on a tip or technique that you truly believe that is going to help other designers transform their careers and improve their speed, improve their workflows, and simply create that ebook is not going to take you a lot of time. You can use online spell checkers to see if you have any mistakes. There are a bunch of free versions out there, and simply export it as a simple PDF. Make sure to put it on your website. If you don't know where to sell it, you can start on Gumroad. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below so you can check out Gumroad. I've been using them for years. They are fantastic and they don't take too big of a cut, so majority of the money stays with you. Don't be too greedy and charging too much money for these ebooks. Make sure it's just a couple of dollars just here and there, so you can make some additional passive income because you create a book once and it's going to sell a lot of the times later. So just invest your time wisely now and reap the benefits later. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.